we have some new birds moving into that nest. So the old ones must have moved out, and I've been hearing a lot of chirping, and they've been walking around that nest. So I think we're gonna get some new friends in that little bird nest there. I was hoping they'd fly over. They were over there a few minutes ago, but maybe they got nervous because I walked out here. But I've been out here and they've been flying all around, but I might be too close. So let's walk this way. There he goes. See that? They're checking out that hive. Or hive. We were looking at, Clay was working on the bees. They're checking out that little birdhouse. And the other one must have just moved out of there yesterday or this morning. And these guys are ready to move in and start a family. And there's a nest on the other side. And these guys are looking at this nest, and this will be the next family, I guess, in here. So it's pretty cool. So we'll be able to watch this process as these guys do their egg laying and everything. And it's next to the beehive, so we're over here a lot. So there he goes, just looking at it. So the other birds obviously are out, and so these guys are moving in. It's pretty neat to see this. So I'm not sure if they're going to clean out the old nest, make enough room, or just take it over. It looks like a couple things are hanging out, but that could just be from the other bird leaving. So there you go. There's the little birdie nest. The new bird's moving in. Remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.